Meaning of decentralization.
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 Decentralization. Decentralization refers to the process of distributing power, decision-making authority, and resources away from a central authority or group. This results in a more distributed and diverse network of individuals and groups who have greater control over their own affairs. Decentralization can lead to increased accountability, transparency, and efficiency in decision-making processes, as well as improved access to resources and services. However, it can also result in greater complexity and potential conflicts between different stakeholders, requiring careful management and coordination. Ultimately, the impact of decentralization depends on the specific context and implementation approach.